Inbound Metra Southwest service train heads to Union Station. This junction is not what it used to be, but it still provides some action. But it'll never be like the old days. In the old days where I'm standing, you had the Chicago and Western Indiana main line, which hosted Grand Trunk Western, Erie, Lackawanna, Chicago and Eastern Illinois, passenger trains, Penn Central, Pennsylvania, Gulf Mobile, Ohio, Santa Fe, Alton, GM&O. The list goes on and on. Today you're down to Metra, Amtrak, CN, and Norfolk Southern.
215 restricted.